If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to this little bag here. This is the Frank Jr. waist bag, a Sincerely Jen pattern. So this one you can wear a crosswise like I'm wearing here, or you could also wear it as the old school 90s waist bag, like so, if you wanted to. This is such a cute little bag. Let me show you some of the features of this bag. So again, you have a adjustable strap to either wear across your body or around your waist. On the back, you have a decent size slip pocket, which would fit your cell phone. On the front, you have two zippered sections. This little one here, which you could put a bunch of stuff in there, no problem, as well as the larger section. For even a small bag, there is a lot of room in there. It would be easy enough to add a zipper pocket in there as well if it was requested. This one I just did with no pockets on the inside because it's such a tiny bag. It can be made in cottons, it can be made in vinyls, it can be made in leathers, it can be made in faux leathers like I've done this one. We can make this in whatever your heart desires. So if you're one of my clients, you like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.